Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix Snapchat lag on Infinix GT30. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on app management. Click on app list. Scroll down and search Snapchat from here. Click on Snapchat. For example, this is Snapchat, and click on storage and cache and click on clear cache. After clear cache Snapchat, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so restart phone. Just click and hold side power button. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon. You will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library, click on settings app and click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, install Snapchat app. Just click and hold on Snapchat app and click on uninstall. After click on uninstall, you will see your app is uninstalled. After uninstall, click on Play Store app and search Snapchat and download. After installing, you will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.